What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this package right here is from my buddy Derek Marr. This was a trade that him and I were doing. I sent him some Kroger exclusive GTRs. Still trying to find him some Day of the Dead cars that he's looking for. So Derek, I'm still on the hunt for those, but I appreciate you sending the cars that we traded for. This right here is from Eric Knight. Now he hit me up on Facebook saying that he wanted to send me some castings. He is local in Arizona, but I don't know what is in the box. He said it was just a couple small castings, no big deal, but I definitely do appreciate it. Even if it was one mainline car, I think that is super cool of you. A great gesture. So Eric, I definitely appreciate you. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it, guys, and open up the one from Derek Marr. So let's get this bad boy open. All right. Oh man, my man threw in some extras. Oh my god. Let's see, what do we have in this first one right here? Oh, is this the Punisher one? Nice, man. Check this out. It's the Punisher van. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a sweet custom right here. Pretty sure that's why he threw that in there, is for a nice custom. Oh man, that is a prime candidate. I've seen this so many times and I never bought it. And then when I started getting into doing the Gaslands, Wastelands, and post-apocalyptic style cars, I was like, oh man, that's a prime candidate. Look at that, man. That thing is sweet. It's actually a really nice color. Nice. All right, set that right there. Looks like we have another loose casting. Oh, he threw in two of them. Nice, dude. Nice, man. Check that out. Not one, but we got two Punisher vans. Oh man, that's gonna be sweet. All right, let's see. Here's the bundle, guys. Let's go ahead and put this box down there. Ooh, what do we got right here? All right, there we go. Look at that. Mystery model. It looks like 7-8. But let's see what was in here. You had the Nitrium, the Chrysler 300 Hemi, the 63 Corvette Stingray, 40 something, that's kind of a funny name, Cadillac Gin Concept, the Shelby Cobra Concept. Nice. Let's see, what is this one? This one has, uh-oh, I see it already, black and gold stripes. It says Cobra on it. I didn't even realize it was open. That's what that tape was for. Look at this. I'm over here taking my time looking at it, and it was open the whole time. Look at this bad boy. Oh my god. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that Shelby Concept and this satin black. Oh man, that looks so good. Got the gold stripes, the brown interior to kind of tie in the stripes, chrome base. Oh man, those chrome PR5s, and that is freaking nice. God, I love that setup. Oh dude, that is sick. You know what this means? This bad boy is going up here. Even though this isn't a channel decal, this one will forever be another Derek Marr, because his decals are right here. Let's go ahead and put that bad boy right there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Sick, man. Thank you so much, dude. That is freaking nice. All right, guys, let's see what is in the bundle. Oh my dude, look at this. First up, my man throws in a short card 32 Ford. Nice, man. The Uno Deco in red with the chrome 5 slot wheels. Absolutely love this casting. I do have it loose along with my other ones, but a short card is one of those things I love collecting. Look at that. International short card right there. Nice, man. Nice. Next up, check it out, guys. We have the new recolor of the 18 Mustang GT in red. Now, you guys saw I just picked this up, but as I mentioned in that video, I wanted a second one because I really want to put the Nas's little special twist of those white 10 spokes. So now that I have 2 of these, I am gonna swap the wheels and put those on here and put it back in the cart. So awesome, man. Thank you so much for that. And here we go, guys. The Flying Customs, new for 2021. You have the 71 Plymouth GTX. Look at this one. Nice red enamel. You have the blue and yellow tampo stripes running down the side with the GTX right there behind the door. Chrome 5 spokes, the blue tinted glass, chrome interior, and check out that hood. You have the 440.6, the black little hood stripe right there, and then coming around the front, you just have the chrome front, no tampos for headlights or taillights. But man, that is such a retro and beautiful color setup. Love that, man. Here we go, guys. The 68 Shelby GT500. Check this out. Beautiful color setup with the white enamel. You have the Castrol and Goodyear tampos, the big black 68 on the door, and then you have the red and blue stripes running along the side. Coming around the front, you don't have any headlight tampos or hood tampos. I kind of wish the heat extractors were black just like that. I think it would look really clean, but beautiful casting, guys. I'm super glad that the 68 was back in the Flying Customs. Let's see which one's next. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is so nice. Now that is a wagon right there. The 64 Chevy Nova wagon in a really nice dark blue enamel. You have the red interior. I love the yellow and red stripes running along the side. You have the Meteor tires out back and the smaller ones up front to give it a nice rake. That nice low front end. Definitely love that, man. That is freaking nice. Now, all of us are familiar with the 64 Nova as the gasser, which has been a heavy hitter for customs. I mean, you got Hewitt's beautiful 64 custom right there. But it's really good to see just a hot rod stanced 64 wagon. Look at that. Nice wagon for sure. All right, guys, next up, look at that. Oh, this custom auto in this color and deco just looks beautiful, man. Look at that. Nice gold metallic. You have the Hot Wheels flame in color, which I really do like that small touch right there. Got the Goodyear tampo, the number 21 meatball with the black and yellow stripes. And then coming along the hood, you do have some yellow and black stripes as well. But the nice chrome 5 spokes, very simple. But this car, even if it's a fantasy car, just looks very nice for this era. Man, I have 3 other variations: the Target Red Edition, the purple, and the blue, and now this one right here. This just looks really nice. And next up, we have the 70 Barracuda. Look at this. Nice green metallic. You have the Plymouth stripe running along the side, the chrome Hot One wheels, and of course you have the blue tinted glass, black interior, the shaker hood, and then just your basic casting details. Look at that. God, you can't have a Flying Customs without some sort of Barracuda, Mustang, something that really signifies that era, and it just looks amazing. And look at this. Oh yeah, the 55 Chevy. Look at that pink. Oh man, that metallic pink with the silver trim. Oh, I love that touch. Man, and check out the pink and purple deco. You have the gold Hot One wheels, yellow interior. It's an interesting choice, but it really fits. Look at that chrome base. Man, I really love the fact that they put the chrome trim on that door panel along the fender. Man, that looks nice. Got 2 more, guys, and look at this, the 84 Pontiac. Now that is a retro color setup. You have a nice black enamel. You have, it looks like 3 types of color stripes running on the bottom, almost like a mint, tan, and gold. It's kind of hard to see, but look at that. The gold Hot One wheels, you have a yellow base, which helps tie in that trim, and then some small stripes running along that hood right there. Check that out. Very nice. course, it is all blacked out taillights, no detail at all. But I mean, come on, you don't need it. You have flip up headlights, the T-top, and check that out. That looks really good. That's a nice, simple Firebird right there. Very clean. Love that. And then last up, guys, the 70 Mach 1. You saw me get this in my previous package. And the detail on this one looks a little bit better than the prior. Let's see. I have it right here, actually. Let's just compare the two, because I always look for variations. Let's see. Looks like the casting details are a little bit better on this recent one. Looks like there was just too much paint filled on that one. I mean, it's very subtle, but look at that, guys. Beautiful. So yeah, guys, check this out. The full 2021 Flying Custom set. I think this is probably my favorite one so far. Actually, every single car in this series just looks beautiful. The color choices, the tampos, the deco, everything just looks really good. The last set was okay. I thought it had a couple cars that was just like, eh. But I feel like the Flying Custom 2021 for this year just looks beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and move this to the side so we can get to Eric Knight's package. All right, guys, next up, let's see what we got. All right, guys, you ready? I have no idea what is in here, so this is going to be a complete surprise as well, but I cannot wait to see what we got. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. All right, let's go ahead and make sure that's everything. All right, cool, that's everything from the box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, okay, I see some Mustangs in here. Oh, they're all short cards. Nice. Oh man, you guys know, even if it's a duplicate of mine, if it's a short card, oh yeah. Alright guys, check this out. Look at that. Oh man, even though I have this, guys, the 68 Mustang on a short card, that's like adding a cherry on top. Look at this, guys. Absolutely love international short cards. Look at that. So we got that one. We have the 67 Mustang in metallic purple, which is one of my favorite colors of the coupe for this year. I think this looks really good. They did a really nice job redeeming themselves after that hideous art car for last year. But look at that. We got that one. Ooh, the Lancia Delta Integrale on a short card as well. Oh man, that's wicked. That is super cool. The 67 Ford GT40 on a short card. Oh my god, that is freaking sweet, dude. Nice. Nice. And then look at this, the 94. You got the 94 Audi Avant RS2. Now, like I've always told Rapid, I'm not a huge fan of these type of wagons, but a short card is a short card, guys. I absolutely like that, man. That is freaking sweet. Now, it does have some really good detail. You cannot go wrong with that. Now, I'm sure with some nice wheels, probably a recolor, I think this wagon would look so much better. I think it's just the blue. I don't know what it is, but it's still a sweet car because it's a short card. You guys know, short card, Hot Wheels deco, automatic win for me. So I know a lot of people don't really care for short cards, but I'm just one of those collectors that absolutely like them because they're not common. So Eric, thank you so much, man. Even though I have these, yes, and even though I do have the Audi Avant, being short card, that is freaking sweet, man. I don't know where you found them, but thank you, man. That is awesome. So check this out, guys. First one, short card. Second one, short cards. That is freaking sweet, man. You got the Punisher vans, which I can't wait to use for projects. The beautiful Shelby concept. The full 2021 Flying Custom set. And this red recolor of the Custom 18. Absolutely love that, guys. So Derek and Eric, funny, Derek and Eric, thank you guys so much for sending this. Like I told you, Derek, I will still be looking for the Day of the Dead cars that you're looking for, so I can send that in your second package with some other goodies. And then of course, Eric, thank you so much for sending these. I know you thought it wasn't a big deal, but to me, short cards are one of my favorite things to collect, along with the old blue card stuff. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these flying customs was your favorite and which one was your least favorite. I always ask for your positives. Let me know the negatives for this set. But that is all I got, guys. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.